topic is World Conservation Day. Ria was walking back home on a rainy afternoon. She spent the whole evening walking back home. Her friends thought she took the long route because she wanted to skip her homework, or she was planning something mysterious, or she was planning to build a rocket ship. But the real reason was she loved to watch the forest. The rivers flowed beneath her and the bridge as it sparkled to the dim evening night. Then the trees flowed as the river just flowed in peace. The trees flowed with harmony in the evening breeze. Then something terrible happened. She noticed something. A monster was taking over the forest. It was called plastic pollution. It was called a monster because it made the rivers dirty and it stopped the river from flowing because a giant pile of plastic had trapped it. Then the trees were bare. People were cutting down trees to make paper, tissues, etc. The remaining trees had their roots choked under plastic. Then Tia said, "What's going on? The birds are not singing. They are eating plastic and the air is filled with smoke." Then a tiny leaf said, "What is happening to you? You can tell me." Ria said, "I can't breathe properly. My eyes are burning. What should I do? Will everything get better with an eye blink?" said Ria. The leaf smiled and said, "You can change it overnight, but not in an eye blink. Plastic pollution has caused half of the world to become dirty." Ria said, "From now on, I will not use plastic or single use items." Slowly, she picked up plastic. The forest was getting better, and she also started planting trees. But the plastic was still there. She wondered and wondered why it was still there. Then she realized people still use plastic and they also cut down the trees she was planting. She advised her friends not to use plastic. Then, soon, her teachers, friends, family, and the whole neighborhood joined to help her. Now, what was happening? Can you guess? Yes, the forest was back again. The trees started singing in harmony. The birds started cheering. And the river flowed as it sparkled. Ria said, "When nature was hurt, I was hurt. When nature was great, I am great." So she said, "I will not use plastic and single use items from now on. I will plant more trees, do everything to save the earth." Thank you.